Hello everybody, hey, what do you think of my latest flamingo mosaic? The last one was the one inspired by my son Tom when he was little, saying, look at that bird sitting on a stick. Do you remember that one? And he's looking underneath him. Anyway, I liked it so much, I thought it would be fun to put two of them together. I particularly like the wing, made up of the marini. It's got a real painterly feel to it, so I wanted to do that again. But this time we've got two of them, and they're dancing. There's a heart between them showing their romantic intent. The background's interesting because the top half, the sky, is the concentric circles. This is called the opus vermiculatum that goes around first to delineate them. And then we've got the concentric circles, and then the sea is the opus palladinium, crazy paving. So there's quite a contrast in the work between the sea and the sky, which I'm enjoying. I think that's good. Long, gangly legs, of course, just like the real flamingos. But I think it's best summed up in the accompanying verse, which goes like this. Did you know that flamingos can dance? My, how they love to flaunt and prance. So sit right back and watch them a go-go as they perform the Flamingo Fandango.